Unraveling Apple warranty, cracked screen coverage.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic many Apple users wonder about: how to avail cracked screen coverage under Apple's 1-year limited warranty. Whether you've accidentally dropped your iPhone or it slipped from your pocket, understanding your warranty coverage is crucial. So, let's get started.
Understanding Apple's 1-year limited warranty.
First, it's important to know that Apple's standard 1-year warranty generally covers manufacturing defects only, not accidental damages. The term limited implies that there are certain limitations or exclusions, one of which is usually accidental damage, like a cracked screen.
What's the solution then?
So, if the standard warranty won't cover a cracked screen, what will? Meet AppleCare Plus, Apple's extended warranty plan. This plan provides coverage for up to 2 incidents of accidental damage every 12 months, with a service fee for each. So, if you're worried about possible accidents, it's a good idea to invest in AppleCare Plus.
How do I avail cracked screen coverage?
Now, if you have AppleCare Plus and your screen is cracked, here's what to do. 1. Contact Apple support. You can do this via phone, online chat, or email. Let them know about your situation. 2. Schedule a repair. After contacting Apple support, they'll guide you through the process of setting up a repair appointment. You could have a mail-in repair, carry-in repair, or in some locations, on-site repair. 3. Pay the service fee. For each incident of accidental damage, there's a service fee. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, it's $29 for screen damage. Remember, these steps are applicable only if you have AppleCare Plus. And there we have it, folks. While a cracked screen isn't covered under Apple's standard 1-year warranty, you're not out of options. With AppleCare Plus, you can breathe a little easier knowing that even accidents are covered. So, until next time, stay savvy and keep your devices safe.